Supreme Court Justice encourages riots and violence. Hello everyone, Jen here, Golden State Times, and today we have a news story. This one comes courtesy of the Daily Wire, and it says that Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor encourages the anti-Donald Trump protesters to keep on protesting Trump in a recent interview. The Washington Post reports that Sotomayor was being interviewed by Bill Press, and when Press asked her if she was apprehensive about Trump's election to the presidency, Sotomayor dodged the question by giving encouragement to the protesters. She said, quote, "I will answer it in a different way," which is what I think is the best, where giving a good person has an obligation to continue being heard and to continue doing the right thing. Sotomayor also responded, "We can't afford for a president to fail, and it is true that we have to support what he does, which is right, and help him guide through those right decisions." She went on to say that, "But we can't afford to despair, and we can't afford to give up on our pursuing of values that we and others have fought very hard to achieve." Sotomayor continued saying, "And so for me, this is a challenge. So I'm going to continue doing what I think is the right thing. That's the challenge we all have to face." So Sotomayor basically said in a nuanced manner that the protesters need to keep their heads up and continue being heard, blatantly ignoring the fact that anti-Trump protesters have descended into violent riots. So by her saying it in the way she does, she's basically encouraging violence. She's encouraging riots. And she is not denouncing it whatsoever. But this goes in par with her leftist ideology, because in some statements that she's made in the past, she has said that "I would hope that a wise Latina woman with the richness of her experiences would more often than not reach a better conclusion than a white male who hasn't lived that life, and that Court of Appeals is where policy is made." So if she doesn't like something, it should be appealed, and that's the correct way. Even though in the Court of Appeals, the person that has already lost goes and tries to fight again to see if a different judge has a different point of view. So let us know what you guys think about this leftist Supreme Court justice. She's encouraging violence, riots. She's encouraging the beating of a man in an intersection. Right? They beat him. They stole his car, just because they were saying that he voted for Trump, which he never said he even did. Someone that was filming the altercation said that he voted for Trump, and he never even came close. He didn't have a hat. He didn't have a shirt. He didn't have anything. He didn't even say anything that came close to being anything about Trump, and he still got beat. There's people out there getting beat because, they're just white, or they're just different than the people that are doing the protesting. So she's encouraging all this. And she's a Supreme Court justice. Her, along with Ginsburg, should be forced to step down. But that's just my opinion. But let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. And like always, like this video, share this video, subscribe if you are new. Make sure you click the golden globe, and then it'll give you the option to subscribe. Also, check out our previous videos and stay tuned for our future ones. And I hope that you stay here with us. But until next time, peace.